All right, here's another short 1972 VW bus with Vanagon motor. Look at this. You've probably never seen this before. I'm a freaking madman for doing this. We took a Vanagon motor. I took a Vanagon motor, carbureted it with IDF 40s. Those are bug intake tubes. I port matched them to match the heads there. So got rid of the fuel injection system. We've got Honda Civic 1992 two-row radiators, two of them. I got them on eBay for about $50 a piece. Didn't really have to do much modding to get this thing in here. It bolts right up to the transmission. I'm running the three-rib transmission with Type 4 flywheel and clutch. The ignition system is the Type 4 ignition system, so that slides right in. The mustache bar is a Vanagon mustache bar, and I kind of had to grind out the Type 4 bracket. These are Type 4 brackets right here. I had to grind them out just a little bit so this would slide up and into it. And then I ended up just welding it in. You can bolt it in right there if you wanted to. I just welded it. Benefits of having a liquid cooled motor in this thing is you could run a heater core inside of your bus if you wanted to and have freaking awesome heat in your bus. So that's cool. It's also, you know, you don't really have to worry about overheating as much because it's liquid cooled. You've got hydraulic lifters in this thing, which is freaking awesome. Like, I don't have to really adjust the valves on this thing nearly as much as my Type 4 that I had in it before. So that's freaking awesome. Also, I ended up, this is the 1.9 water boxer motor. And I got jugs and pistons for it, so it's actually a 2.0 now and not a 1.9. So that's also very, very cool. It's definitely peppy and a good, you know, if you cannot find a Type 4 or air-cooled motor to put in your bus, try looking up one of these because it's really not that bad of a swap putting this in here. Yeah, you do have to figure out some of the plumbing, and I did have to do this right here because this is the highest point to fill this thing up with coolant. So I just made a little bracket right here, and you just fill it up with, you can pull this down and then just fill it up with coolant. So that's how I fill it up, and then also fill it up right here on the reservoir. But that gets all the air bubbles out. So yeah, pretty cool stuff.